G'day, I'm Willie. I'm going to give you a quick overview of our new adjustable front lower control arms for the famous GC8 Subaru Impreza. They'll also fit early legacies as well. We've designed these for rallying, one of the toughest motorsports in the world. So we've designed them to be very strong, very reliable, and we want to give all the drivers the most confidence they can in these arms. We'll quickly show you how to install them and to adjust them. It's very simple. You simply unbolt the old ones and we'll bolt in the new ones. Installation process. So you use your factory bolt, goes through there. And then this bolt here goes into this arm. And we use our factory bolts at the back. And simply go back from where they came. Leave everything reasonably loose to start with. You can see we use the factory Subaru lower ball joint. And then finally sway bar link. So this is not a GC8 sway bar link, this is off a slightly later model WRX and Legacy. We chose to use these because they're a much nicer ball joint style rather than the factory rubber bush, which tend to wear out. So that's the basics of it installed. We obviously want to put a split pin through here. Check all of these main bolts are all tight, and then we're on to the adjustment. So one of the main design aspects of this arm is this member here. So what this does is it ties in your chassis to your subframe. This stiffens and strengthens everything up as much as possible while providing this mount. Which shifts this that way, gives it more wheel clearance, more strength, and yeah, it works really well. The main advantage of these arms is ultimate adjustability. So the factory arm offers no adjustment whatsoever, so these arms offer independent camber and caster adjustability, all while having the arm in situ, so nothing needs to be taken off to be adjusted. So your wheel alignment guy can simply look at your machine and adjust it as he sees to get it just perfect. So the adjustment is very simple. With the camber, simply we loosen off that lock nut and that lock nut, and wind that in and out as you please to get your camber spot on. And then for caster adjustability, it's a similar story. So you've got a lock nut there and a lock nut there, and then simply wind this bar in and out until you find your desired setting, and of course make sure we tighten up the jam nuts.